What's up, guys? Welcome to this new video. In today's super step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select English in the Duolingo application. As you can see, I'm currently learning Spanish in my Duolingo app. If I wanted to select English for the app's interface, all I need to do is close out of this screen and look for the icon right here. Now, here are all the different courses I'm currently enrolled in. To change the language interface, we're going to tap the plus button. From there, you'll see the option for English speakers. You can choose from several other languages too. Let's say you want to learn Italian, for example. Just select the Italian for English speakers option, hit Continue, and now Duolingo will switch to English for the interface with your learning course set to Italian. If you want to switch back or learn English, you can follow the same process. Tap the plus icon again, scroll all the way down, and choose your current language. For instance, if you're a Spanish speaker, you can select English, then tap Continue. Duolingo will now display the interface in Spanish, and you'll be ready to learn English with all the content in your native language. This is how you can easily switch between languages in the Duolingo app. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials on Duolingo. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.